These days, many teams use Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Canva, and similar tools for collaboration. But a lot of separate tabs and scattered workflows means less productivity and more hassle. We've found a compelling solution to this digital clutter. ONLYOFFICE. It's a comprehensive productivity platform that combines a full suite of Office applications with a collaborative environment designed to bring all your work into one place. Today, we're going to show you how it can make your teamwork easier. Upon logging into ONLYOFFICE DocSpace for the first time, the interface feels modern and uncluttered. Navigation is centered around a persistent menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the three main pillars of your workspace: Rooms, Documents, and Contacts. If you click on Rooms, you get a clear, card-based overview of all your collaborative spaces. Clicking on Documents presents a more traditional file manager, which will feel instantly familiar. What's particularly effective about the interface design is how it blends two philosophies. The outer shell of DocSpace feels like a modern web application, but the moment you open a document, spreadsheet, or presentation, you're greeted with a classic view that is similar to the desktop versions of Microsoft Office. This means users coming from that ecosystem can get to work immediately without having to relearn where every function is located. ONLYOFFICE organizes collaboration through rooms. Each room is a secure workspace for files and people. There are several room types for different needs. The most common one you'll use is the collaboration room. This is your team's virtual project headquarters. It's designed for real-time co-authoring, where multiple users can edit documents, work on spreadsheets, and build presentations together. It's the perfect space for active projects where everyone needs to contribute. Next, there is the public room, which solves the common problem of sharing files with people outside your organization. You can place documents here and share them using a simple link. External users don't need an ONLYOFFICE account to view the content, which makes it ideal for sharing public reports, portfolios, or read-only resources with clients or partners. And it also means that the public rooms can easily be embedded into web pages, blogs. So instead of pouring tons of hyperlinks into an article, bloggers now can share a public room, embed the link, and provide all the downloadable files through that room. For handling forms and surveys, form-filling rooms are very useful. In these rooms, you upload PDF forms. Then invite colleagues or clients to fill them out. ONLYOFFICE provides a navigation interface to jump between fields and a big Complete and Submit button when done. All submitted data is automatically compiled in a spreadsheet for you to analyze. This saves a lot of time compared to emailing forms back and forth. If you work with highly sensitive data, the virtual data room is built for you. It's intended for due diligence and confidential projects. You get automated indexing and reports to keep everything organized for audits. You can turn on extra security, add watermarks to every page, set files to expire after a date, and prevent downloading or copying. You also assign roles to control who can see or sign off on forms in that room. In short, a virtual data room is a locked-down space for sharing classified files securely. Finally, there's the custom room. This is the most flexible option, which allows you to fine-tune permissions beyond the standard editor or viewer roles. Here, you can assign roles like reviewer or commenter, which is perfect for formal review cycles where you want feedback without giving full editing rights. A major benefit here is that you can configure a custom room exactly how you want it, and then save that setup as a template to reuse for similar projects in the future, saving you significant setup time. Moving from the containers to the content. Inside those rooms, the platform includes a word processor, spreadsheet, presentation builder, form creator, and PDF editor. Each of these works in real time for teams. For example, the document editor looks and feels like a powerful Word alternative. You can insert images, charts, smart art, equations, and even drop caps. Crucially for teamwork, you get live co-editing. You choose real-time or paragraph locking modes, add comments, and there's an integrated chat to discuss edits without leaving the doc. All these editing features are available in the free web editors. The spreadsheet editor is like a lightweight Excel in the browser. It handles all the usual data tasks. Over 400 functions and formulas for calculations, pivot tables, and conditional formatting for analysis, and lots of chart types and even small spark lines for visualizing data. Just like docs, multiple people can work together on a sheet. You can share links to whole files or even specific ranges, edit in real time, and leave comments on cells. For slides, OnlyOffice has a presentation editor that works like PowerPoint online. You create slides with layouts, text, images, charts, and animations. While we haven't listed a citation here, the presentation editor in OnlyOffice supports transitions, multimedia embedding, and works across devices, and can export to PPTX, PDF, etc. Behind the scenes, OnlyOffice's editors also include a form creator and PDF editor. The form creator lets you design your own PDF forms by inserting fillable fields like text input, checkboxes, dates, etc. into documents, which you could then use in form filling rooms. The PDF editor allows you to annotate or edit PDFs directly, useful for reviewing contracts or signing documents. In fact, the latest versions even support collaborative PDF form filling, so colleagues can fill out and sign PDF forms together in real time. Managing who has access to your work is straightforward in OnlyOffice DocSpace. All user management is handled within the Contacts section. Your core team members are categorized as members. These are the users you add to your DocSpace who are part of your organization. You can organize these members into groups, such as marketing or development, which simplifies managing permissions and sending communications to specific teams. Then there are guests. These are external collaborators like clients or freelancers whom you invite to specific rooms. They do not become full members of your DocSpace. Their access is strictly limited to the rooms they've been invited to, and they cannot see your main documents or contact sections. This provides a secure and effective way to work with third parties without exposing your entire workspace. Now, you might not be a developer, but the fact that OnlyOffice provides a comprehensive set of developer tools is a strong indicator of the platform's flexibility. The API acts like a universal translator, enabling other applications to communicate with OnlyOffice. This means you could potentially automate workflows, like having a new client in your CRM automatically trigger the creation of a contract in a DocSpace room. The JavaScript SDK is a toolkit that lets a developer embed a DocSpace room or even the entire interface directly into another website or application. Then comes the plugin SDK that allows for the creation of new tools that work right inside the editors. Finally, tools like webhooks and OAuth 2.0 provide advanced automation and secure login capabilities. For the average user, the takeaway is that OnlyOffice is built to be a central part of a larger digital ecosystem, ready to integrate with other tools as your needs grow. OnlyOffice DocSpace is a powerful and complete work suite. It successfully unifies document editing, project collaboration, and file management into a single, coherent platform. If you're tired of a fragmented workflow and want a single hub for your productivity, you should create a free account and explore what it has to offer. OnlyOffice DocSpace is web-based And the free OnlyOffice desktop editors run on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Give it a go and see how OnlyOffice can streamline your remote office work. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.